In the name of Allah, the Compassionate, the Merciful. The country of Burundi is a small country in the center of Africa, where the history of Ithna Ashari Shias dates back to the First World War and the settlement of Indian and Pakistani traders. Hujjatul Islam wal Muslimin Sheikh Ibrahim komoko, a prominent cleric and a member of the World Assembly of Ahlal-Bayt, peace be upon them, was one of the pioneers of promoting the school of Ahlal-Bayt in the country of Burundi and the founder of the Ithna Ashari Shia Institute in this country. He was born in 1964 in the city of Rumg, located in the country of Burundi in the center of Africa and the east of the Democratic Republic of Congo. Hujjatul Islam komoko completed his primary and secondary education in his hometown. And after receiving his diploma in the Islamic Culture School, he studied religious sciences, and after completing the preparatory course, he migrated to Sudan and engaged in higher education. After returning from Sudan as a result of the studies and research he had done in the field of Ahlal-Bayt, peace be upon them, school, in 1999, Ibrahim komoko became Shia, and since then he devoted all his strength to the promotion of this school. He who was engaged in activities in the field of spreading knowledge of Quran and Ahlal-Bayt in his country, with some of his friends, founded the Ithna Ashari Shia Institute in the country of Burundi in 1999 and became the vice president of this institute. In 2004, komoko was elected as the head of the Council of Ithna Ashari Shia Scholars and also the Ahlal-Bayt Institute in the country of Burundi. These activities lasted for 15 years. That is, until the last moments of his life. In 2019, due to illness at the age of 57, this active cleric and preacher passed away. In part of the condolence message of the World Assembly of Ahlal-Bayt, peace be upon them, on the occasion of his death, it is stated as follows. The deceased was one of the founders of the Ithna Ashari Shia Institute and one of the pioneers of preaching Islam and the Ma'arif Ahlal-Bayt, peace be upon them.